Alright, we got a 2016 Kia Optima. We're going to be replacing the oil pressure switch. So in order to find this oil pressure switch for us, for this car, is going to be located right over here. Let me see if I can get a better angle. Turn on my light. Now I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but the oil pressure switch is located right over here, right where my ring finger would be at. Oil pressure switch is going to be located right there. In order to get to that, we need to take out that bracket up there. It's going to be having 4 bolts in total. By the looks of it, it's going to be a 12 for us. It's going to be a 12 millimeter. We're going to be taking that bracket out. Alright, right now I'm going to be taking out these top bolts for the bracket out. Alright, now we're going to be taking out the other 2 bolts. Alright, here on my hand right now are the 4 bolts that go into that bracket. I'm going to lay them here for now. So now with those out, we can now start taking out the bracket itself. It's a little hose there. I'm just going to take this to the side. And right there, let's see if I can get it proper close. That's as good as I can get it. That cable right there, that's going to be our sensor. So the next step from there is to disconnect the sensor, and then from there we're going to be disconnecting the actual sensor itself. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect the sensor. There's going to be a locking, just hold the locking tab in and pull it, and it'll pull, and you'll be able to get it out. As you can see, I already pulled it out. So now that that's out, now we're going to be grabbing the actual sensor itself. Sensor is right here. Alright, let's go on and grab the tool we need for it. I'm not sure if y'all can see it, but it's right there. I'm going to be using this 24-inch socket with a stubby. So let's go ahead and connect that in. Be very careful. Now that that's in, go ahead and just break it free. Yeah, that's alright. Now that we've broke it free, go ahead and take it out. Once that's out, go ahead and take it out from here. Let's take a look at the condition. Alright, now we're going to grab our new one and replace it. Now before I put in a new sensor, I'm going to grab the connector and I'm going to clean it up with this electronic cleaner. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Once I finish doing that, I'm going to go on ahead and start installing it. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and start installing a new one. Make sure it goes in. Make sure it doesn't, you don't bend it. Make sure it goes in straight in, or else you're gonna cross thread it, and that's the last thing you want to do right now. Alright, now that it's in by hand, now we're going to start tightening it down. Just keep make sure Everything keeps on being straight. Alright, that's been tightened down. Take out the socket and go ahead and connect it. Alright, and now what we're going to do is connect that connector back in. Make sure you remember where it's at. Look for the entrance and make sure it clicks in. Alright, now that's in, and that's how you do your oil pressure switch.